So as we come out the front door here, we've got my bench and we've got some lovely impatiens. Over to the side there, I've got my mother-in-law's tongue, a few succulents, and cyclamens, which will be coming into flower very soon. Got some jade growing in a pot there, and there is a petunia growing in there. And there are some geraniums, pelargoniums I think they're called now. There is 2 frangipanis in the pot. I think they need to be in the ground. They haven't done really well. I've got more succulents down here. Let's just start walking around the garden. Got some dianthus there in that pot with succulents in the one behind. Got some little daisy type flowers there. Another geranium at the back. My bulbs are starting to come up. Mostly I've got freesias. You can see them in that pot there. Oh, I've got my shadow all over it. Let's see, can you see it now? And here we go around the corner. The pot at the back there with the tall plant is a mulberry tree. They grow really large and I don't want it to be too big, so I've put it in a pot. Got a beautiful frangipani there with, I don't know if you can see right at the top, there are pink flowers on that, bright pink flowers. There's my daisy. There's flowers down the bottom there as well. My limes are ready for picking off my lime tree. Yes, they do go yellow. They're green usually when they're picked, but if they've been on there too long, they go yellow. So they're not lemons, they are limes. Got some hibiscus at the back there. The tibouchina is flowering. Camellia's just come into flower. Got some lovely daisies here. Got some down there and in the garden there. And in the background, the upper level there, the roses are blooming. Beautiful purple ones there. Roses all around. Got fountain grass. I love the fountain grass when the wind blows. You can see it there. The way it just moves in the breeze is beautiful. Behind that, that's actually sage, culinary sage, but it grows a beautiful flower. And what happened was one year I just planted too many seeds and then I popped them in the garden and they're a lovely ornamental as well as a practical culinary plant. There's more roses at the back there. Got hebes growing with the purple flowers. Some carnations. My lemon tree in a pot. There's some more frangipani. Callistemon, bottle brush. Down there I've got 3 pots and in those pots are blueberries. Now they've only been in, when I bought them, they were only about 10 centimetres high and they've only been in a year, so I'm looking forward to actually getting some because, oh, I don't know if you spotted that, that was a beautiful big lizard in my garden. Then I've got umbrella trees, a fig tree in a pot with some figs on it. Down in that little pot there's some polyanthus, another umbrella tree. This is always flowering. The wind's actually got it and knocked it over a little bit, which I'll have to straighten it up. And we're back to the beginning. I hope you enjoyed that very quick view of my garden in autumn. and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.